In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 12 proven niches to make money with CPA marketing. And for those who don't know, CPA marketing is a business model pays you to get people to complete certain action on a website, such as submitting their emails, installing an app, or entering a giveaway. Easy, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you relatively easy niches you can target after watching this video and start making money with CPA marketing. Now that we know how CPA marketing works, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to monetize the niches I'm going to be talking about in a moment, and that is content locking. So for those who don't know as well, content locking is a form of CPA marketing monetization, which means instead of promoting direct CPA offers, you can basically look for premium content, put it behind a content locker, and people need to complete CPA offers in order to get access to those content. And did I mention many CPA offers pays as high as $30, especially if you're getting most of your traffic from tier 1 countries. I'm going to show you how you can get into a CPA network, and this is where you'll be able to create these content lockers, and you can start using these lockers to monetize the niches I'll be talking about in a moment. There are so many CPA networks out there, from cpalead.com, as you can see right here. You can also go over to cpagrip.com, where you can use ogarts.com. There are other CPA networks out there, but these are some of the popular ones you can get started with, especially if you are a beginner and you want to get started right away. So once you come over to either of these websites, all you need to do is to click on the create an account button, and you'll be able to create a free account with the platform. If we take CPA Lead as an example, all you need to do is to click on Start Earning. As you can see, they have this content locking option here, which you can use to start promoting CPA offers. Okay, you want to then click on Get Started. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can enter your basic information like any other website. Your account will be created right away. And the next step is picking a niche. And I always advise my students to go for niches people are passionate about. And the niches I'm going to be sharing with you in this video are the New Year resolution niches. This is simply because these are resolutions people want to do or want to have next year. Okay. And the reason this is a solid niche is because these goals are driven by strong desire, and your sole objective here is to help people achieve this dream. The first of the list is starting a business. There are so many people out there who are looking to start a business, and you can help them achieve that goal. So I don't want to waste time going through each of them one by one. As you can see, I have listed them on the screen. So just like I mentioned earlier, these are niches driven by strong desires by people. And because of this, people are willing to do anything to manifest this goal or this desire. Okay, so now that you know the type of niches to focus on, so there are so many ways you can drive traffic. One of the most popular ways of driving traffic is by using long or short form content, which you can get access to on major social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even Twitter. Another option you can use is by going to forums. And I'm talking about going over to platforms like reddit.com or quora.com. You can basically find a lot of communities of people who are interested in any of these niches on the screen, and you can then target those audience. Okay, another platform you can use is Pinterest. Pinterest is basically one of the most underrated platforms which affiliate marketers don't really look into much, and you can take advantage of the relatively low competition on Pinterest and start making money with CPA marketing. And now, how do you create the content locker? Depending on whichever platform you decide to go with, all you just need to do is to go over to the tools section. And here you are going to see various tools you can use to make money with CPA marketing. And the first on the list here being content lockers. All you need to do is to click on it. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And all you just need to do is to click on the create a locker button. And you want to enter your basic information here, and you'll be able to create a locker in a couple of minutes. And now you may ask, what should you put behind the content locker? You can put anything from checklists, ebooks, or guides behind the content locker. And once people find your content on social media platform or on forum, you are going to direct them to a website where they can download whatever you want to give to them, but they need to complete offers in order to get access to the locked content. So once they complete CPA offers on the locker, they get access to the content, which is a win-win situation. And finally, I highly recommend to create a landing page for your content lockers. This makes you look a lot more professional, and also it increases your conversion rate as people are going to find it more trustworthy as opposed to sending people to a direct content locker. And you can use websites like breezy.io to create landing pages in a couple of seconds. As you can see, you can use this website builder to create a landing page using their AI tool in less than 20 seconds. And also you can create a landing page using free option like Google Sites. And once you create this landing page, like I mentioned earlier, give people amazing value, and you can then tell them to go to your website where they can get a free guide, ebook, or whatever it is you want to give to them. They have to complete an offer before they get access to it. It's that simple. And for those who are looking for the best way to make money with CPA marketing, I recommend to click on this video on your screen right now.